Hello student, today we will revise chapter 20, name is Woos Forest. So student, do you remember we when we learn this chapter, so at that time we learn about the uses of forest, type of forest and forest life. So also in this chapter we already discussed about the forest life and at where villagers are how live in the forest, how can they manage their life in the forest. So student, here you can see that first topic is about daughter of the jungle. It means here is we already discussed about one lady and it's a name Suryamani. Her name is Suryamani and we say it's a daughter of jungle. And what is the reason of that? So now we see that look at the picture, and where do you think these children are off to with little bundles on their sticks? So you can see that student in this picture some little students are take little bundle of stick on their back and where they want to go. So the children are going to the forest. They jump, run, climb trees and sing songs in their language called Kuduk. So student, here you can notice that the language of this forest is Kuduk. All the children are talking each other and singing a song in their language named Kuduk. So Kuduk is a forest language. They pick the fallen flowers and leaves to weave them into necklace, and also they are weave a necklace, some bracelets and some jewelry from the fallen flowers and leaves and many other tree waste. They enjoy the wild fruits. Also they enjoy wild fruits. They look for birds whose calls they imitate. Joining them in all this fun is their favorite Didi Suryamani. So all the childrens are make this type of fun with together Didi named Suryamani. So here in this picture student, you can see that in a sari, so this woman named Suryamani. Every Sunday Suryamani takes the children to the forest. Every Sunday all the children are goes to the forest with Suryamani. As they move around, she shows them how to recognize the trees, the plants, and the animals. And also, children enjoy this special class in the forest. So, every Sunday, Suryamani take a forest tour with children, and all the children are enjoyed a lots of in the special class and which are taken in forest. So Suryamani always says to learn to read and forest is the important as reading book. So always she tell that to learn to read the forest is an important as reading books. And she also says that we are forest people. It means here is one perfect word for the forest people named Adivasi. So all the student also recognize this word. All are knowing about this word. So Adivasi is the caste which are living a forest. One community of people. Our lives are linked to the forest. If the forest are not there, we too will not remain. So Suryamani says that we are the people Adivasi and our lives are linked to the forest. So if forests are not there, then we too will not remain. If forest is not in our village, so our life is not possible without forest. Next topic, student, you can see that about Suryamani's lives, how she grew up and how her family grew up in the forest. So Suryamani loves a forest since she was child. When she was a child, at that time she loves the forest. She would not take the direct road to school, but would choose the path through the forest. And when she go school, so she did not choose a direct road, but choose a path which are through the forest. Suryamani's father had a small field, and her family used to collect leaves and herbs from the forest and sell these in the bazaar. Suryamani's father had a small field, so that's why her family has no any another option for income. So her family members also used to collect some dry leaves, some sticks, herbs, and some flowers from the forest and sell this in the bazaar, and they earn money for their livelihood. And also her mother would weave basket from bamboo or make leaf plates out of the fallen leaves. But now no one can pick up a single leaf from the forest. At the time, her mother was weave basket from bamboo and also make a leaf plates out of fallen leaves. But nowadays, no one can pick a single leaf from the forest. So, what is the reason for that? Because after many times, one contractor came in this village. So, student, here you can notice that word contractor. So, what is the meaning of contractor? So, contractor means a person or a man undertake a contract to provide materials and manpower for a job. It means they gave some money to us and they manage any duties, any work for their underpower. So the people of Suryamani's village were afraid of the contractor. They all are afraid from the contractor because everyone except Budhyama, she would says, we the people of this forest have a right over it. People of Suryamani's village are says that we all people have a rights for this forest, over this forest, and we look after our forest. We don't cut trees like these contractors do. Contractor came in this forest to build a bank, to build colonies, and he cut many trees. But Suryamani says that we are the forest people and we love so many, so we can, how can we cut any trees? Not yours or mine alone. We take from it only as much as we need. We don't use up all our wealth. So after that, contractor says that not yours or mine alone, this forest. This is for all the people, for my and for yours. But after that, he also told that it is a very needful for us. But villagers are not able, not called to contractor for cut out the trees from the forest. Suryamani's father could no longer support the family on this small land. So we know that student Suryamani's father have a small land, and it was not could no longer support to the family. So she wanted to move in town for some work, but things did not improve. So sometime a situation create there is no food in house. So at the time Mania Chacha was the uncle of Suryamani would send some grain from his small shop to Suryamani's house, and family members are managed from this grain. Chacha tried hard and got admission for Suryamani in the school in Bishanpur. So Chacha know about the condition of Suryamani's family, and that's why he wanted Suryamani sent to school. So here they would not have to pay for the fees, uniforms and books, because Suryamani did not want to leave her village forest. But Mania Chacha was firm, and he tried their best, and also he said that if you do not study, what will you do? Go hungry? So after some argument, Suryamani would ready for the study, and Chacha sent her to in school. But young Suryamani listened and tried to understand some of what he said. So after some argument, after some discussion, Suryamani was ready to move from the jungle, from the forest, and go to school. So after student, when Suryamani goes to school, what is the journey of Suryamani? So Suryamani was filled with joy on seeing the school at Bishanpur, and the school was near a thick forest. So near the school there is a thick forest, and Suryamani studied hard and passed her BA degree after getting a scholarship. Student, here you can see that word scholarship. So what is the meaning of scholarship? It means a monthly or yearly token money awarded to outstanding student for financial assistance during study. So any government agency or any private agency was sending a money token for yearly or monthly, and from this financial help a student get to study. So she was the first girl in the village to do this. While she was in college, she met Vasavi Didi, a journalist. So when student Suryamani was in school, they meet one lady named Vasavi Didi, and Vasavi Didi was a journalist. So student, what do you mean by journalist? Journalist means a person who writes for newspaper or magazines, or prepare some information, some news for the future to be broadcast on radio or television. So it called journalist. Suryamani soon joined her work for the Jharkhand Jangal Bachao Andolan. And from the help of Vasavi Didi, Suryamani joined one Andolan named Jharkhand Jangal Bachao Andolan. And this work took Suryamani too far off towns and cities. Her father did not like this, but Suryamani continued her work. Not only that, she also started to fight for the rights of the village people, and her childhood friends Bijoy helped her in this work. Suryamani's father was not like this work, but Suryamani also go afar from her town, and she continued her work. Not only she was alone, but her childhood friend Bijoy helped in this work also. And from the help of Bijoy, she started this work. Suryamani had another friend Mirchi. Another friend named Mirchi who stayed with her day and night. So also Suryamani got help from Mirchi. Suryamani would share all her thoughts and dreams with Mirchi. So Mirchi is very best friend of Suryamani. So she share all the thoughts, all the talking with Mirchi, and Mirchi would listen and says Kiki. So they both are communicate each other in their own language. Suryamani had a dream for her Kudu community. She had one dream for her community. She wanted all her people to feel proud of being Adivasis. So she wanted that all the people feel proud of being Adivasi. After her this project, Suryamani was 21. She opened a center with the help of Vasavi Didi and the others. So her childhood friend Bezos and her partner Mirchi. And what is the name of this center? So she called it Torang. Torang means in Kuduk language jungle. So Suryamani wanted that on festivals people should sing their own songs in their Kuduk language. They should not forget their music and should enjoy wearing their traditional cloth. So after all, Suryamani want that they should not forget their forest life. It means she want that all the people are sing a song in their Kuduk language and also they wearing the traditional cloth of their life, their village. Children should also learn about herbs, medicines, and the art of making things from bamboos and many other tree leaves, tree branches, and also she wanted that children should learn the another language of school but most link it with their own language. All these happen in the Torang center. So all these things are happen in Torang center with the help of Suryamani. Many special books about the Kuduk community and other Adivasi have been collected. Flutes and different type of drums are also kept there. So Suryamani want there the people of their village did not forget their community. So for that community, Suryamani collect some things, some traditional things from the village, and she put it in a Torang center. Whenever something is unfair, or if someone is afraid that his land and livelihood would be taken away, they turn to Suryamani. And Suryamani was fight for everyone's right, because in this village Suryamani is the only lady. She knows about the rights of the forest and about forest people. So Suryamani help all the people. After some time, student, we know that Bijoy was the best friend of Suryamani's. So they both have got married and work together. So today their work is praised by many people. She invited even to other countries to share her experience. People of her area are also raising their voice for a new forest law. So student, here you can see that Right to Forest Act 2007. And what is the act Right to Forest? So people who have been living in the forest for at least 25 years have a right over the forest land and what is grown on it. If any community, any people of group are living about for 25 years in the forest, so they all have a right over the forest land and what is the grown on it. They should not be removed from the forest. The work of protecting the forest should be done by their Gram Sabha. So also Gram Sabha of this forest take some protecting work for the forest. So student, for from this chapter we also learn that if any community was live from more than 5 to 10 years in the forest or in any village, so they all the people have the right for this village, for this community, and also they fight for to improve, to save, to improve the community. And also we learn that how we recognize the forest product. It means some useful products how can we get from forest, and what is the rights of us to the forest, how can we save our forest, and forest is help to improve our environment, our atmosphere. So student, watch this video carefully and revise this chapter from the textbook. Thank you.